In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trusted site to Microsoft Edge on your Windows 10 PC. This is a helpful process if you frequently visit certain websites and want your browser to recognize them as safe. Let's dive into the details to ensure you feel confident in making these settings adjustments. To start with, ensure you're on your Windows PC. Once you're ready, move your mouse to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type Internet Options and press Enter to open it. You might be wondering why we're using Internet Options when our focus is Microsoft Edge. Well, this tool manages your security settings across several browsers, ensuring a streamlined process. Once the Internet Properties window appears, you'll want to navigate to the Security tab, which you'll find at the top of this window. Clicking on it will reveal a series of security options designed to keep your browsing safe. Within this tab, you'll notice several icons, all representing different security zones. Our focus today is on the Trusted Sites icon. Go ahead and click it. Next, to the right of the icon, you'll see a button labeled Sites. Click on this to open a smaller window. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it. This is where you'll add the URLs of websites you want to mark as trusted. In the field labeled Add this website to the zone, either type or paste your desired website address, such as wexample.com. Remember, it's crucial to include HTTPS to ensure secure connections are recognized. After correctly inputting the URL, press the Add button. You'll see your site appear in the list below, confirming it's been added to the trusted zone. You can repeat this process for any other sites you wish to include. Once you've added all the desired websites, click the Close button to exit this window. Back in the primary Internet Properties window, make sure to click OK to save all your changes. This step is vital as it ensures your adjustments are recorded and ready to take effect the next time you use your browser. There we go, you've successfully added a trusted site to Microsoft Edge on your Windows 10 PC. Now, whenever you visit these added sites, you can enjoy a smoother and more secure browsing experience. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps if you plan to manage your trusted sites in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a safer and more enjoyable time browsing.